In this video, we will go through the procedure how to connect Huawei inverters to Fusion Solar to fulfill the requirements of SAPN being an agent for remote connect and disconnect. First of all, if you don't have the operation guide, go to our website solar.huawei.com/au. From there, you go to services, downloads, you select residential, and you can see the category South Australia related. Click on that, product and document type operation guide for remote inverter shutdown in South Australia. Download that guide and quickly move to section 4 of that guide so you can download the relevant app for this procedure. Now you've downloaded the Fusion Solar app. Make sure that you're opening the right app. Fusion Solar 7 has the blue icon compared to the previous Fusion Solar 5 which had the orange icon. Opening that app, don't log in yet. If you have an account, don't log in yet. Make sure that you have changed the server from INTL to au7.fusionsolar.huawei.com. For doing that, you have to click on the top 3 dots on the right corner. Go to login settings and change INTL to AU7. This is a very important step in this setup. Once that's done, if you don't have an account, click on no account in the bottom. Register as an installer, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You have to register your company and confirm all those parameters there. Once you have set up your account, log in. You can select yes here and go to setup wizard. Now you have to connect your mobile to the inverter that you are commissioning. Scan the QR code or select the Wi-Fi network. For doing that, make sure your phone is disconnected from the internet. So disable mobile data. You scan the QR code here. You have found the inverter's Wi-Fi signal. The password for connecting to this signal will be change me with a capital C mentioned on the side of the inverter. Then it will ask you to log in as an installer. The password is 5 times 0 lowercase a 00000 lowercase a, and it will also ask you to change this first time password. Logging in as an installer, you go to quick settings and set up the parameters. Grid code AS4777. Next, you add the devices which you have in this plant. Either you have a smart dongle, you have a power meter, you have optimizers, you have battery, or you have slave inverters connected. Another very important step is to set up the domain name. Make sure that you have au7.fusionsolar.huawei.com selected as the domain name, and then enter the homeowner's Wi-Fi details, SSID and password. Click next. So now you have the green ticks telling that the inverter is connected to the router and it is successfully connected to au7.fusionsolar.huawei.com. The next step is to hook it up to a plant under your company and also create a user for your end customer. So for doing that, you're already logged in to the app. You have to reconnect to the inverter. So disconnect from the inverter's Wi-Fi, reconnect to the internet by enabling mobile data. Add plant and fill in this form, which is quite self-explanatory. Enter the name of the plant, select the company, string capacity, plant address, which you can manually enter, or you can use the option, confirm the location for the address, put the owner's name and the mobile number, that's optional. And the most important step is to put the customer's NMI number. Now, this is the identifier that SAPN will identify that this is a plant that they have to look for remote disconnection and reconnection as an agent. It has a small algorithm to check the NMI number is correct. There's no typo there, so it will remind you of that. It will give you a reminder that it will be managed by a third party because you have selected SAPN as your relevant agent. Your plant is created successfully. At this stage, you add a user and put details of your customer so they can also access the plant. While putting in the details, make sure that you assign them the correct plant. So company, that will be your company, which you have registered. Role, probably owner. Plant association, select the correct plant. Give them a username and initial password. If you want to upload any photo, you can. Then this job is done.